our next instrument used in the chain surveying is the open cross staff. Okay, so this is the open cross staff instrument used in a chain surveying. So what is the purpose of this open cross staff? The purpose of this open cross staff is to mark a point at a right angle or at a perpendicular. Okay, so this is the purpose of this cross staff, to mark the point at a right angle, perfectly right angle. So the point we need to mark at a right angle, then we use the open cross staff. So this is the open cross staff, and in the open cross staff there are the 4 metal arms provided. Okay, so this is the first metal arm, this is the second metal arm, next third metal arm, and the 4 metal arms. So these are the 4 metal arms, and these 4 metal arms is perpendicular to the each other, or the right angle to the each other. We see this is the first metal arm, this is the second metal arm. So these 2 metal arms is perpendicular to the each other. Okay, then next, each metal arms is perpendicular to the each other. Okay, so next, in the open cross staff there are also 4 vertical arms is provided. So these are the 4 vertical arms are provided in the open cross staff, and these 4 vertical arms is provided at the end of metal arms. Okay, so this is the metal arm, and at the end of metal arms there is another vertical arms is provided. So okay, so there are the 4 metal arms and there are 4 vertical arms is also provided in the open cross staff. Okay, and we see there is a slit. Okay, there is a slit provided in the vertical arms. There are the 2 slits provided in the 2 vertical arms. So this is the first slit and this is the second slit. And in the remaining 2 vertical arms, okay, so these are the 2 remaining vertical arms. In these 2 vertical arms there is a hole provided. Okay, so there is a hole provided in the 2 vertical arms. Okay, it means the 2 vertical arms provided with a slit and 2 vertical arms is provided with a single hole. Okay, the observer see from this hole and bisect the object from this vertical arm. Okay, the observer see from this vertical arm and bisect the object or bisect the ranging rod from this vertical arm having a slit. Okay, and another observer is see from this hole and bisect from this vertical arm having a slit to the object. Okay, it means the 2 points we marked at a right angle by using this open cross staff, and this instrument we used in the chain surveying operation. Okay, in the next, this open cross staff is mounted on a staff. Okay, for this open cross staff there is a different type of staff is made. Okay, and on the staff we mounted this staff in such way. We see in this way we mounted this staff on this open cross staff on a base staff. Okay, and the height of the open cross staff we mounted is at a eye level of the observer. It means at this level, okay, when I stand, then at this eye level we mounted this open cross staff, not too down or not too high. Okay, we mounted this open cross staff at eye level. Okay, then we observer easily see the object or the ranging rod from this hole when we mounted this open cross staff at the eye level. Okay, so this is the open cross staff we use for the locate the point at a right angle, okay, or at a perpendicular. So this is the open cross staff we use in a chain surveying operation.